Hey guys, hope you're doing well. If you're new, hi, my name is Ansley. This is That's Really Pretty. We discuss a lot of makeup, tutorials, beauty, and all that stuff. If you're not new, hey, what's up, what's good? Thank you for coming on back. Thank you for the continued support. Okay, so it is 6 in the morning. I got my SZA concert tee on, no makeup, but like I am wide awake and I realize I could easily film one more video before I move. So we're doing it. It's happening. So hopefully I don't look too like bummy right now, but you know, I'm just getting to a place where I'm comfortable coming on my channel, not all dolled up. So yeah. All right, let's talk about our video. As always, I have to say it. I definitely have to say it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment any questions about any of these products that I have. I've used all of them, so this isn't necessarily a first impression, but this is not like a month later update where I can tell you guys like how my entire regimen has worked. So I've definitely noticed a change in my skin with these products. So this isn't going to be something where like I have no idea if they work. So, and yes, subscribe if you haven't done so already if you enjoyed this or any of my other videos. As always with the YouTube algorithm, turn on the notification bell if you want to see what I post when I post it. All right, so we are doing a huge skincare haul. So context before we get into the video. I like was super into skincare. Like, okay, throughout my life since like college, I go in and out of being into skincare. So recently I was super into it, and then I kind of like stopped when I had my surgery, and then I was a little depressed for a while. That's a whole, we could do a whole segment on mental health. So I just like didn't really do a lot of stuff, and then I was trying to take care of myself after surgery, and then I started to get into it a little bit more and was just buying some of the wrong things. Then I went to a dermatologist that was horrible, and now I'm deciding to take care of my skin on my own. I've already found a new dermatologist. I've made an appointment for like a month or two out. So I'm gonna see what I can do on my end before I go into a dermatologist. So my skin over the years has been up and down. Ever since I had my surgery, I've been having acne as an adult. It's definitely a lot better. It's calmed down as I've gotten further out from my surgery. And I have noticed that I think my skin is purging right now. So context before we jump on in. Alrighty, so I'm not gonna go in any particular order. I'm just going to show you guys stuff. So some of this stuff I picked up last night and I've already started using. Some of this I've had in my cabinet for like a couple, like 2 weeks at this point. So this is a honey all-in-one ampule. This is from Korean Skincare. What does it say it's supposed to do? And of course it's in Korean on the back. So an ampule is like and I could be missaying this, so y'all don't roast me. It's like a combination of a moisturizer. It's supposed to be a bit of a toner, not the way we think, and kind of like an essence. It's like one of those products that are all in one that just does your skin a world of good. So I do like this. This is a super liquidy consistency. You get a ton of product. I think as I get down into the jar, I might put it in another container because this will be a pain to get stuff out of. So, and this wasn't super expensive. Definitely wasn't more than like 20 bucks. Alrighty, let's see. Oh, this is a nail polish I have on. It's called Smith & Colt. It's a really pretty color. So when you're packing up, like I put out a couple of nail polishes that I like. One's Dior, one's Chanel, and then I've got another Chanel one I think over there. I didn't want to put away all of my nail polish, but those are the colors I picked. And then I wanted like springy colors, and of course I have the darkest color on my nails. All right, so this is an oil that I have been really enjoying, and I noticed the effects immediately. It's a little on the expensive side. It's like 60 bucks, I think. It's the Fresh Sea Berry Moisturizing Face Oil. So this has omega-3, 6, 7, and 9. So it's hydrating. It helps protect against like environmental aggressors. This is one of those things where it does help to clear up like any blemishes or acne marks that I have. That reminds me, I have one other product I have to go get. I have another fresh product that I've been using. I've been recommended this oil in the past, and at the time, like, it is a little bit on the thicker side. You only need like 2 drops, so that bottle will last for forever. I went to go revisit it after looking at 2 Kiehls oils, and everyone recommended that oil over those 2 oils. Not to say that those are not good. It's not what I'm saying. It's just that they preferred that oil. And even my sister, she used Kiehls products. She also preferred that oil. So, okay. So next we're going to talk about the second fresh product that I got. I opened it the wrong way because sometimes I'm just not that smart. It opens like this. So this just came out and I already put a review on Sephora. This is the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Vitamin C Glow Powder. It is a 30-second foaming facial. Y'all, this stuff is potent, but it works wonders. So I'll show you the packaging. It's actually kind of separated in half. I don't remember what is on each side, but you basically cut it, dump the powder into your hand at once, put a little bit of water, and you like foam it around your face. So I have this kind of like hyperpigmentation, this acne scar that's like the darkest thing on my face, and it bothers me so much. And the two times that I've used this has lightened it drastically. There are some cons though. This stuff will burn the hell out of your face. Like, it's so potent, it's just gonna burn your face. There's no questions about it. I did also notice, so you use it twice a week. I use it Wednesdays and Sundays. The day afterwards, I do get a little bit of like acne flare up. So it is really, really strong. Having said that, the little like bumps that I get, I can live with because it does a really good job, and I have plenty of other items in my skincare routine that will help combat that. So very potent. It's like 40 bucks maybe? But I think it's like 40, 50 bucks, probably close to 40. I will buy this every time I run out, and I will keep doing it for forever. That's definitely like one of the stronger items in my skincare, but I love it. I'm getting organized. All right, so this is a moisturizer I picked up. This is the Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream. It's a white package. This is just like a good all-around moisturizer. I use this at night. I really don't like to put things under my skincare. On my face, under my makeup as it relates to skincare during the day, because I like sweat it all off. So I try to do most of my skincare at night. I do have a couple of products that I will put under my makeup. This is not one. It's not like super thick or anything. I just prefer to do it at night. I have a really lightweight Darphin moisturizer that I prefer to use instead under my makeup. All right, so I just picked this up, and I have used it. It's an interesting texture. So this is kind of funny. I went into Sephora. I was looking for an acne product, and I was looking for a calming face mask. And so I put all this stuff in my cart so I could ask the people like specific questions versus like going in and saying like, tell me what you like. I just wanted to come with a slightly more informed opinion. So I had already put this in my cart when they recommended it to me, and we all chuckled about it. So this is the Ren Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. So I use this either the morning after or the same night after. Sorry, they're both white, so it's like overexposed. After this fresh product, and this helps to calm and soothe the face. So this is one of those products where I could easily like run through it quickly based on the consistency, and that I don't like. So you're only supposed to put a little bit on, and so if you like coat your face with a thin layer, when you go to take it off, it feels like very, very thick, like you've used a lot, and that bothers me. It feels like it gets like really moussey. So it's like, can I put on less to, use less product? Not really, because you've got to coat your face in it, but that's a good one. I do like it. It's just about how much product you have to use. Okay, so this I've just picked up, and along the same vein, just to help with like general like redness and irritation. I do have sensitive skin. This is a Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. So lotion is misleading. It's like a liquidy, it's like a liquidy product. So you get a lot though. This will last for forever. This is one of the new lines that came out from Origins. So I tone my face, I put the ampule on, and then I put this on right after, and then, where's my serum? Okay, so I was missing something, and then I went back in my cabinet and realized I missed like 3 other things. So comment down below if you want to see my actual skincare routine. Maybe in a couple of weeks, I'll like post this and the actual steps that I do them, because right now I'm not doing that. So I should have thought about that before I filmed, because I basically have all of my stuff out on my table. Okay, so yes, next I will put on this serum. It's by Caudalie. This just came out. It's their Skin Perfecting Serum. Sorry, I keep scratching my nose. I like cuddled my cat, and so I've got cat hair all over my face. Gotta love it. Okay, so this is by Caudalie. This just came out. It's their Skin Perfecting Serum. This is a natural salicylic acid. I'll talk about them together. I use these Peter Thomas Roth Max Complexion Correction Drops. It's got a fresh Bellini scent. It's double medicated. It's got anti-aging benefits. It's a pore minimizer. It's got 2% salicylic acid, 10% glycolic acid. It's got some soothing agents. It's got some aloe vera, some chamomile, some green tea. So these are my acne fighting products. This is very potent. It will burn your face when you use it. This also will purge your skin a little bit. So I use this at night, and then I use this I use this both night and day, but I could really just use this during the day. So these are my acne fighting products that I use. I did ask them if I could use this in the morning, and they're like, no, that's too much. Do not use that twice a day. So they recommended this. They said this would be enough, but I do like putting this under my makeup, and it helps to prevent acne. So those are those two products. Okay, we're like halfway through. I'm gonna do this cleanser next. You use so much of it at once. That is a con to this. So this is the Neogen Dermology. It's the it's the Real Fresh Foam Green Tea Naturally Brewed Soothing Bio Cleanser. So there's actually green tea in the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. If I hold it now. There you go. So you can see the leaves. So I do like this. You only need half a pump, and it foams up quite a bit. So I have started to go through it. I would repurchase this. I'm trying to think. I'll read the back to you guys. A real fresh cleanser, gentle and hydrating, rich foam cleanser effectively removes impurities in the skin without irritation, as a unique formula containing actual real fermented green tea leaves deliver constant fresh ingredient skin benefits to your daily cleansing routine. So if you have seen my Skin Medica fail video, I talk about the moisturizer and toner I was using. It's by Mederma. It's an AHA. It was just burning my skin and causing a ton of allergic reactions to that medical grade skincare. So I've stopped using all of those products. When I asked the people in Sephora what they would recommend, they said like you should use something that's like calming and makes your skin feel good. And I prefer a foaming cleanser. So that was what they recommended. And I think I said this, it is Korean skincare, that brand in general. So next, in terms of cleansers, as you can see, I've been obsessed with this. This is by Caudalie again. This is their micellar cleansing water. So I use this in a couple of ways. It's getting everywhere. Yeah, I use this in a couple of ways. In the morning when I wake up, if I'm going to the gym and I'm not going to wash my face immediately, I will cleanse with that. I use it as a part of my cleansing routine at night. So I cleanse my face several times. I don't really consider that a cleanser because I don't think it gets all the dirt out and then it's just sitting on your face. So, but I do like double cleansing, probably triple cleansing if you include that. And then I also use it to help take off my masks when I do masks. So I do them a couple times a week, and I do have 2 masks that I want to show you guys. So I love that. I will continue to buy it. There are some micellar waters that just feel greasier than others, and that is so lightweight, and it's just awesome. I highly recommend it. Okay, so all right, I've got like 4 more products to show you. So this Mama Jamma is my all-time favorite mask. It is definitely in my top 3. I can tell you the other 2. It's a Tatcha Harper resurfacing mask, and then the similar to this product, the Fresh Nectar Glow mask. That that is my combination of masks. And this one. So this is definitely on the more expensive side. It's one of the Dior masks. It is their Glow Better Fresh Jelly Mask. I think when I used this, it had some dermabrasion stuff in it. I haven't, so I bought this last night because I wanted to have a skincare night, and I couldn't because it has this really pretty Dior seal on it, and I haven't taken product shots yet, so this is amazing. I've gone through one of these before, so I know that it's good. I was just really bummed because I really wanted to use it last night, and I was like, no, save it for Instagram, take your photo, which is a whole other conversation. All right, so this is also part of my acne fighting treatment. This is one of the Sephora Weekly Wow products. It's the Peter Thomas Roth Therapeutic Sulfur Mask. So this is 10% maximum strength sulfur, clears acne, oil absorbing, deep pore cleansing, soothing aloe, and some clays that are up in here. So it is a clay mask. You guys can, this exposure. Yeah, all right, it's a clay mask. Trust me, it's a clay mask. So this is not one of those products where I can really see a difference. I do like using it, and I do want to have something as a part of my mask routine that is for fighting impurities and acne and clogged pores and all that. So I use it like maybe twice a week. I definitely don't use it 3 times a week, but I could though. If I did a mask every day, I could use that 3 times a week. So those are my 2 masks that I picked up. And then I've got 2 more products. So this one is an as seen on TV product. I picked it up in Marshall's last night. I had seen someone do a review on it, and I was like, she did it, and like you could see the results. It looked amazing. So as soon as I take my product shot, I'm gonna use this. This is the Finishing Touch Flawless Facial Hair Remover, and I have seen commercials for this. I've never bought something that was as seen on TV. My grandmother has bought me a Snuggie though, but that's as close as I've come to purchasing stuff off of the television. So this was for $15. I got $5 off, and they had it in the store. I'm really looking forward to this, especially for like my mustache and my peach fuzz. I don't know if it's gonna get this man beard that I've got going on. So I have some pretty aggressive facial hair down here. I have to like shave my face several times a week. So if this will painlessly pick it up, then I will do that for my little beard situation. All right, so this is my last skincare product, and then I've got I'm not gonna say that. And then I have a bonus product. Sorry, then I have a bonus product that I want to show you guys. This is a quartz crystal face roller. So I've been hearing a lot about facial rollers. This is not one of those super duper expensive ones. This is like, how much was this? 13 bucks. So it's pretty though. So it's just a face roller. It's got 2 ends to it. So I bought this to help massage my skincare into my face. I do light layers of everything, but when I put the oil on it as my last step, like my face feels greasy. So I just rolled it all over my face last night, and I can immediately tell a difference. It really helps to work the product into your face, more so than like patting it. Like, because I do this for each step, I would pat it into my face, but now I roll after each step, and it really helps to massage it into the skin. So those are all my skincare products. I've got like a nice little pile here of stuff. Now that I'm looking at all this stuff, I'm like, oh my God, that's a lot. Last product I have for you guys, it's a Too Faced product. This is their Sun Bunny Natural Bronzer. I got it for $10. It's usually $15. So I'll show you guys. You're probably thinking, Ansley, now we know better. This is not gonna bronze your face. I might be able to get away with it in the winter when I just don't go outside and it's cold out, you know, when I hibernate. So the reason why I wanted to get it for summer though is because it looks like it's got a decent enough reflect in it to be a really nice light all over face illuminator for my skin tone, and like a really subtle highlight. So you can see it right there. I just think that that's gonna work really well for my skin. So I love highlight, and I would wear like a shit ton of highlight to work every day, but that's not appropriate for the environment that I work in. But I think this will just be really nice and like soft and natural. All right, guys. This is gonna be, I feel like it's gonna be a long video for a haul because I went over so much stuff, but let me know if you've used any of these things. If you want to try any of these things, I, of course, at some point will put all of these products on my Instagram. But if you have ever followed me on Instagram or you know me in real life, I plan content out 2 months in advance pretty much, and I have an auto scheduler. So whenever you see me posting stuff, I'm like probably in bed, I'm probably at work, I'm probably chilling, like reading a book or working on some other stuff. I'm never posting when my posts go up, which is frustrating for people that know me in real life because I hold on to photos for months. So like I'll go to DC for Thanksgiving and post that around Christmas time, and they're like, oh, you're in DC, and I'm like, no, I'm not. I'm sleeping in my bed. I am nowhere near my sister's apartment right now. So I will, of course, post these at some point, but I wanted to do a quick haul video for you guys. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye.